Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the font size of all slides. Actually in PowerPoint you might find this difficult while changing your font size. So for example, I have around 120 slides in this template. So here what I need is I need to make my fonts bigger. So what we usually do is we go in each and every slide and we change our font size. Okay, so we should navigate to our font, select all, and we need to increase our font size according to our demand. But there is another way from which you can do very easily and very fast. So for that, what you need to do is, first of all, while making a slide, you need to follow certain rules. Like whatever template you are using, you need to follow the guidelines, like inserting your elements or adding text. It doesn't work if you are adding text from text box. Just remember, whatever template you are using, it doesn't matter. For example, here are so many templates and those templates have their own predefined font size. Okay, so for example, this slide has its own template. Like if you go in home, you can see the layout. So here are the particular slides and those slides have their own content and their content size, like font size for every slide. So it's pretty simple and straightforward process. What you need to do is just make sure that you are making your slide in proper way. So for example, if you need some text, make sure that you have not done it from the text box area. If you need text, you had some of these elements and you had to modify from those. So from here, if you have done it all properly, what you can do is you need to go to view. So here inside the view menu, you can see master view. You can see this area, master view section. So from there you can see the slide master. So go over slide master and it will take you to the next window, next place where you can see all of your template designs. Every template has its own predefined layout and those layout have their own defined font size and structure. So from here you can change your structure, you can change the layout or the size of the orientation of your slides, including that. So if you need to change the size of your title size of this layout, so you can go here, you can select this title and make the font size as per your requirement. So if you are using this kind of slide, you can set the font size for this area and for this area. So for example, most of the slide I have used this section. So for this, it has font size of 30, which is okay, and I'm not going to change that. And for example, so let me go through an example so that it will be clear, very clear for you. I'm going to slide master, close the slide master view. For example, let's see this third slide. So from here you can see that it has 22 font size, and if you are even increasing the size of text box, your font size doesn't look like they are getting bigger. Okay, so notice what I'm doing here. Okay, so from here I'm going to view, I'm going to slide master area. So from there I know that I have used this layout in most of the slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this section. Okay, here I can change the font from here, or even I can go to home and the font size of my choice, that is 32. So looks like the font get bigger. Okay, so now slide master, let's close this. And now if I am back to the slide number 3, I can see that it had its size of 20 last time when we saw it. Okay, so now it's 30. That means it should be 32, but no, because what happened here is that font size actually is responsive according to the layout that we are putting our text in. So what you can do is you can increase the box. So see if the font size get any bigger or not. So like you can see that font size is 32. You can try if it's going bigger. No, see, font size remains 32. That means what we had done, it's cool. Okay, so that's how you change the font size of all the slides. So now you don't have to go every slide to change the font size of the text. So another thing is that might that will be a case. So for example, here you can see that the text has been limited over this box. So if you are going to increase the size of this box, your font size get automatically increased. See, like this. So if you don't want to change the font size for every text box, even that's simple, you can go to view, again slide master, and from here you can change the size of this box. That means every slide box will have this size. Okay, so and you can place it over top or anywhere as per your requirement. So that means this is fine. If you want to check, you can go back and check this. It has font size of 32, which is okay. And see, this title, it appears to be a little more higher than the before. Okay, so now here it doesn't work because it has been written in the different text box. So that doesn't work here. So that's how it's done. But make sure you have created your every slide in a proper way. So that's easy. See you in next video. Bye bye.